You need to start by again analyzing the PYQs. You need to analyze PYQs with the view कि जो अब तक CLAT के लिए prepare किया है, how much portion is that going to cover for my AILET exam, and what is the remaining number of topics that I need to cover. And if you start giving 2 to 2.5 hours on a daily basis, and you start giving a mock per week, I mean, if you are very dedicated to get into an NLUD, a mock per week is the least that you can do starting from now. Now, I gave like 10, 15 mocks at least overall during my preparation, so it didn't seem like a mock per week, but at least good 5-10 marks is definitely needed over the last 2 months. You need to get accustomed to the different kind of sectional approach that is required for them. I mean, a 70 marker logical reasoning is not an easy nut to crack. So, I mean, give a mock every week. Try to categorize that these topics are definitely exclusively there for AILET. If I had to name a few, it's statement-based reasoning. There is analytical reasoning that is being asked. So these few things can be exclusively be focused upon if you are just targeting AILET. But yeah.